famous Angry Dragonz food truck.
Yes.
It's kind of tight in here. This gentleman here, you could just tell us your name and tell us all about Angry Dragonz. Why are you so angry?
My name is Ken. The only part why we name it Angry Dragonz because we're angry. We're hungry. We're angry, right?
Okay, you're hangry.
Yes.
Angry Dragonz.
Yeah.
And how long have you been running this truck?
The truck has been over 10 years.
And your restaurant?
Restaurant is around 6 to 8 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you're the boss man?
Yes.
Or now, tell me the truth. Is Bonnie the boss?
Bonnie is the boss. Yes.
Yeah, okay. I've known Bonnie for many years.
Yes, exactly.
And, this truck is absolutely famous. I've been at many events, and the food is absolutely incredible.
Thank you.
So what's your biggest seller?
Gelato chicken, and then something mixed up is like the Dragon's bowl. There's chicken, lamb, and beef in the Asian slaw on the side, and the rice on the side. Yeah.
All right, well, show us what we should be doing here. We could be making.
Sure, I'm have the bills lining up here.
Okay, let's watch the bills go here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. Can you get
So, you wanna hand out a bill?
I do.
Yeah. So,
I have the bill.
yeah, 81.
Okay, 81. 81. Is it all three? 81. Not yet.
You wait your turn, sir.
Wait your turn there, Mr. Man.
Can you not see in here? You need a stool?
If this place can fill Peter Reuter, it can fill anybody.
That's true. That's true.
Tallest man in Ottawa.
He's a big boy.
Yeah.
Whitest too.
Who's this, number 82?
Yeah, there's 82 yet. So.
82? Sesame. There you
Oh,
go.
sesame. Gotta put sesame on that
Put
first.
sesame on it. Hold on.
Quality control beside me here. Thank you for that.
This is 82.
Yeah, 82 too.
Also 82.
Plum sauce. Plum sauce.
No, they got to do their own.
Oh, they do their own outside? But I caught that. It just seemed... How many eggs are there in an egg roll?
I don't know about that one.
I thought it was a good question. How many egg rolls would you serve in a day?
Yes.
Yeah, quite a lot.
A lot.
Yeah, quite a lot.
And you make them?
Yeah, we make it at the restaurant every week, like daily. Yeah,
Every day? How many you make a day, sort?
Over 1,000.
1,000 a day?
No, a week.
Oh, a week?
Yeah. So
Wow.
yeah, so
That's a lot of
quite a lot. Yeah.
And they're amazing. I just love your egg rolls.
Thank you.
All right, well, we should really, while we're doing this, maybe you can provide us with details of how you can follow the food truck.
You gotta tell the guy on the other side of you.
Yeah, sure.
Fast, quick. Make sure you get all the orders here, all the receipts. Make sure you bring the receipts over there. Make sure you have enough rice to give to them. You have to decorate. So like the cashier is not just the cashier. You have to do the receipts,
You do the drinks?
the drinks, prepare the rice for them, so they don't want to go.
Yeah, true.
And everything you do is probably in 2 steps in any direction.
Yeah.
That's it.
Usually
Yeah.
I'll get my receipt, I'll give them the whole number, take their payment. While they're doing their payment, give them their drinks, while preparing the rice, give them that, and go out.
Hello, can we help you? 2 egg rolls?
You want to do it? So you go to the starters.
Oh, you're doing this. This is great.
So go to starters, press the 2 egg rolls.
Do I press it once?
Yeah, 2 times. And then drinks. And then Coke. Was it a Coke?
Diet, regular, or zero? You sure we have a special on zero? It's the same price as everything else, just special, because I'm serving it. Just stick with the regular? Okay.
And And then you'll have to print it.
The one that says print?
Yeah. And then you'll ask them what they would like to pay for each.
And how are you like to... Okay.
Well, this
It'll be $10 even. How am I doing?
While you're waiting for her, you get her a drink.
Oh, yeah.
Is that 86?
Yeah, that's 85.
Okay, 85?
I said,
Coke original.
Nice stuff.
There you are. Here's your drink.
Look at you. There you go.
Enjoy.
What's that? That's the noodle pad thai. Speaking of pad thai.
And that's just hot water.
That's
Almost boiled, not just under boiling.
Yeah. You don't want it to be too boiled, so it kills all the.
Okay.
So the veg is a little bit cooked, so that speeds it will speed up a bit.
I'll fry her up. That's thick.
Yep. That's our famous sauce. Smells so good.
Chicken.
Yep.
89? 90?
Enjoy. You eat sesame on that?
there's already sesame.
Okay. Who's that?
Like we're waiting for the.
Oh.
Yep, pad thai is coming.
Oh, it's frying her up here. Oh my god. Yeah, my favorite. Well, their egg roll is my favorite, but I also love their General Tao. Tao Tay. Oh, General Tao.
Thanks for tuning in to Fair Eats. A special thanks to Milva and, of course, Father Pierre for inviting Darrell and I to the St. Monica's Parish Feasting. Again, another thanks to my best buddy and co-host Darrell Bartra. Stay tuned for future episodes of Fair Eats. Disclaimer! No Lisas or Darrells were harmed or injured in the filming of this podcast.